Hi! In this video, we will start a new chapter about magnetism. We've all heard about magnets. These magnets can be found in many everyday objects. For example, refrigerator doors have magnetic strips on them to keep them closed. Also, computers use magnetic disks to store information. Also, credit cards have magnetic strips on the back of them. And much more examples. Every magnet consists of two poles, the North Pole and the South Pole. So what would happen if we put two magnets next to each other? There are two cases. In the first case, we put two opposite poles. What do you think will happen? As we observe, yes, the two magnets will attract. In the second case, putting two similar poles next to each other will cause the two magnets to repel. Now, around every magnet, there is a magnetic field. And it is the area around a magnet in which there is a magnetic force. To find out the direction of the magnetic field, we place a compass near the magnet. The needle of the compass will always point along the direction of the magnetic field. And this is what we will be observing now. As we move the compass around the magnet, the direction of the needle is changing, and that gives the direction of the magnetic field. The red north end of the compass points in the direction of the lines of force. Notice also that the red end of the compass needle points from north to south. Now, after what we have explained, can you tell which of these pictures shows the magnetic field of the magnet? Pay attention to the arrows of the field lines. The field lines head from the north toward the south. So the first picture and the third are excluded. Take a look back at the needle of the compass near the magnet. Which picture shows the direction of the electric field similar to the direction of the needle moving around the magnet? Yes, it is picture number 4.